One of the best things about living in Western Australia in the late winter and early spring, well, besides the welcomed cooler temperatures, is that when we get a beautiful day during the rainy season, there is so much to see and enjoy. On one such day in late July, Allie and I took off southeast of town to ride through the countryside to visit one of the falls I have been wanting to see, Serpentine Falls. These falls are seasonal, as most in WA are, and to see them in their truly glorious state, you must make a drive, and often a hike, to get to them. So we were off on an adventure. Serpentine National Falls is the crowning jewel of and lies within the Serpentine National Park, and it is a popular day trip destination for many who live in and visit Perth, as it is located only about 55 kilometers from the city center. With that said, to ensure you can enjoy the beauty that is this local treasure, it is highly recommended that you arrive early and have your entry fee or all parks pass ready to go. All right, the website said to get here early because this is a popular place. I get it now. Parking was not easy. Hey, babe.
Hello.
I didn't even know he was behind me. After a quick stop at the facilities and to take a look at the park map, we were ready to explore. Hey, love. Remember that suspension bridge we hiked across near,
rocking back and forth?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is so much better.
No, I like that one better.
No, I prefer the bridge. This is not sketchy. That one was sketchy. Serpentine National Park not only boasts the main falls, it also is home to 3 other hiking trails that take you through the Australian bush to some of the most stunning vistas and smaller, though no less beautiful falls themselves. And oh, the things you overhear when you're walking the trails. On this particular day, Allie and I decided to take the Kitty's Gorge Trail. The trail is a 14-kilometer round-trip trail, but we only planned to do about just under half as we wanted to see one of the smaller sets of falls. What we did not know until later on is this is one fairly engaging Class 4 hiking trail. Whew. Well, started out as a big walking trail. Now we're down to something that kind of resembles a goat trail. It's kind of fun. But as we came around a turn in the trail to see this set of falls, the hike with its just under 400 meters in change of elevation was completely worth it. I love making my way down a trail I have already traversed once. It is almost like being on a completely new adventure for all the views that just seem a little bit different. And then there are also those sweet moments that you catch along the way. When we finally found ourselves at the main falls, it was worth the wait. It is hard to express how stunning this place is. Between the sound of the rushing falls and the play of light within the canyon, it was a breathtaking sight to enjoy. enjoying the morning and a pretty good hike, Allie and I both were in the mood for some good food. Since we were south of Perth, we decided to head towards the coast to enjoy a late lunch in the city of Fremantle, right on the water's edge. Fremantle has been one of our favorite places since moving to Australia. Between the natural scenery of this port town, the art scene, the food, it sometimes feels as if the town is an endless source of enjoyment. And one of our go-to places is Gage Roads. Gage Roads is a local brewery and tap room that has cultivated a unique experience to accompany its ever-growing menu. Being located across the bay from the port of Fremantle, the place is always hopping. As the day was coming to an end and we were headed home, Allie and I were once again reminded of just how blessed we are to have this opportunity to be living in and experiencing such a wonderful place as Western Australia. Now it's your turn to explore. Where you can, guys, get out and ride. When you do, have fun, be safe, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. Bye, everyone.